Welcome back, and if you are new here, we are Lauren and Bill.
Hello!
So it's one of those weeks where I do something when it actually makes it longer for me in the long run. Right. So what I've done is just trying to grasp the words to put in how sad I am. I spent loads of time filling all the holes in the van, all of the walls, all of the sides, all of the holes. I've already said that. And it was actually a 2-part filler where you have to add hardener. So I'll come back a few hours later, sanded it down, it was all sticking together, and I was like, maybe it just takes really long to dry. Next day, which is today, and it's not hard yet. Check on the back where the instructions are, it says add a hardener. So, take all of the filler off, add the hardener, and then fill it all again, which is long. I'm gonna get made sure after I've lost my mind.
Let's waste some time. If you ain't got nothing better to do, let's waste some time.
It's the next evening and I've let it dry overnight. Starting on the garage area, I've wood filled just that section, so if it doesn't actually dry then I've got less to recover. I haven't got to do the whole van over and over. Good news, it's dried. And I've started sanding this wall just to make sure it was definitely ready. It's looking good. I finished also the shelf that was in there. So I'm going to sand the rest of this down now and then get the paint out and give it a quick coat before we finish.
My job is to start building the bed. We explained in our planning video that we wanted a bed that could raise and lower at the front section of the van. Our original idea was to use an electric motor to make it automatic, but we figured we'd try a much simpler system first. A wise old man once said, "Kiss. Keep it simple, stupid." Adhering to the old man's wisdom, we decided to use cam straps, some D-rings and a DIY bed frame to make a manually adjusting bed. So my first step was to build the bed frame with the measurements I come up with. After cutting all the bits of steel I needed, I tack welded them up and then checked to make sure it actually fit in the van before welding it up completely. With the frame completed, it was time for me to mount the D-rings to the chassis and the bed frame. At this point, the bed is pretty much finished. All that's left to do is to spray paint it, add a sheet of plywood on top for the mattress to sit on, and then cut the mattress to the right shape, which will all be in the next video.
You right there, babe?
Yeah. It's a swing! We got a swing in the van!
We've got our shower door. It turned up a few days ago. So I'm going to unwrap this. We're going to check that it actually fits, because otherwise we've just spent upwards of 300 quid for no reason. And also today I'm going to focus on painting these walls.
Step into my world, I promise you'll love it here with me, you know.
I spent about 45 minutes looking for a steel blade for the chop saw. If I just read the blade that was on it, I could have saved myself 45 minutes.
I don't think that's logical to some people, but it's logical to me, and that's what that matters.
It would help if I plugged it in.
I think I've already explained that. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Is that what you think?
More than you, I built this van.